So now let's dive deeper into the functionalities of the website. So as you can remember, we searched on the home page for Ontario, and then we found the result. So for example, here let's go to the real estate for sale, which is the search result page. So here, as you can see, there appears all the houses that we've added here. We also have the detail page for this for any one of these. So if I click on that link, you can see the details of the house. However, there are not so many styles here, and this is the most minimalistic kind of details page. However, if you want to add more styles to this website, this is open for you. You can add the styles here. You can resize the image. You can put the details inside one spec sheet, and these are all of the things you can apply on the details page. But the main focus of this project is to see how we can create the different pages, the different parts of the project, and how we can put them in the right place. So the main focus is not on the website, and it's not also on the styles, but it's more on the backend, more on the much more on the ways you can search. So for example, these are some arbitrary zip codes that you see. For example, if I search for this zip code, which is 12345, it's not a real zip code, but we just put this for testing the functionalities of the search. So if you only search through the zip codes, as you can see, the one that you want appears. You can also add so many other filters, such as the number of bedrooms, number of floors, square feet. You can apply this maximum, for example, square feet, minimum square feet, and filters like that. But these are just examples of, for example, adding this search filter for a number such as price, which is the most important one, and then the zip code, searching through the zip code, city, address, and things like that. So if I refresh the page, or for example, head over to the home page and then to the search result page, as you can see, all the search results appear here. You can also add the pagination with the previous tutorials we had on the pagination, and when the number of houses will increase, then the pagination will be more functional for you, because you want to add the different houses in the different pages, which makes every search result page much more clear. Also, here let's search through the database with the price. So for example, here I want a kind of price that is has the maximum of $1,240,000. So here, that's number. Let's apply the search filter, and as you can see, only this house appears with this amount for the price, right? So it's $1,220,000, and here we've managed to search through this kind of filter. Anyway, we have the login and register forms. However, it might not sound very much practical for this website, but sometimes, for example, you want to add a kind of a house and you want to have different users, which you can use the so many number of different super users, which I've given the guidelines here in this GitHub repository. You can also follow along with this tutorial in order to see how we can add the different users. But the other way of adding users is to register from here. So you give the capability of register for everyone, but not everyone is capable of adding the houses, deleting the houses. You can give that access through the admin panel and by the super user. So first of all, you need to have the super user. Once you have the super user, when different people register here, you can give them access for adding the houses. You can give them access for deleting, adding, and also updating the houses as well. So we will learn all of these throughout these tutorials. And now that we know the functionality of the website, and if you're interested with following along with this tutorial, let's go ahead and git clone the project and see how we can make the website up and running so quickly without ever coding it. But if you want to skip ahead to the coding part, you can just skip this part that we're going to follow along, and you can just head over to the timestamp related to coding through the website. So here the first step is that we want to git clone the project, see how we can make it up and running so quickly, and then we're going to start creating the project from scratch, code every part from scratch. So we'll create an empty project and then add the different elements of the website one by one to the project and see how we can have a complete website from scratch.